Multi-channel, as we've talked about earlier, is where a brand operates in different channels, whether that's online and e-commerce, e-commerce and B2B, whatever permutation combination. In multi-channel, it's really the brand that forms the center of the conversation, right? And the customer has to choose which channel they're shopping from. Omni-channel, on the other hand, is where the customer forms the center of the conversation. So it's not about the retail brand anymore. It's purely about the customer. And the customer chooses where they want to shop from, which channel, and how that experience looks like. So to prove an example or to give you an example of what an omnichannel experience looks from a customer's perspective, you're probably on Instagram late night scrolling, you've seen a product, you click through, that ad will give you some interesting product features, and then you click buy, and that buy button is going to take you to an e-commerce website. And that website is now tracking where you've come from and will ask you if you want to be notified of similar products. And then it'll also say to you that, hey, look, this product is available in store close by to you. They have these many pieces available. And when you get to the store, the mobile phone that you were shopping on earlier will pop up and say, hey, listen, here are some of the items that are other items that are on sale. Now, this may sound a little bit from the future, but it's happening today. There are some brands that do this really well. And that's what I mean by giving the customer an omni channel experience. Really, it's about making it seamless.